Hey everyone, this is Gaurav, the PMF guy. You know what? Internet is a crazy place. Last month, there was a trend all over the place. It was trending on TikTok, it was running on Instagram, Reels, everywhere of this hugging video. I'm going to show you in this video later what this trend was all about in case you're not aware about it. But the most interesting part of that is that people can create these videos. There were tutorials running all over the internet. But what I'm here today to tell you about is that once a trend goes out in the market, there are multiple players who wants to piggy bank on it. It's just like how content creation works also. Anything that's trending, anything that's topical content, everybody wants to jump on top of it, and I'm part of it. I'm not denying the fact that I would not do that. I would definitely do that because everybody wants to build distribution, right? But there is a layer of authenticity that is very, very important according to me, which is to be kept in mind. So what I'm going to show you in this video is those videos that were trending all over the internet, and in a matter of months these videos got millions of views. You can use multiple AI tools from which you can generate these sort of videos, but this video particularly is a deep dive of understanding how players come in the market and try to piggy bank a trend with anonymity and even try to fool you. Yes, you heard me right. So without any delay, let me go step by step and just walk you through the process. So as you can see on the screen right now, that there is this AI hugging video that I've searched on TikTok, and you can see these videos. It has got 12 million views, 1.7 million views, 13 million views. And let me just play the video so that you get a very simple understanding. It's just like two images and you merge those images and you can just get a hugging video out of it. I think this is the tutorial that it's showing that how it's done. You can see over here that it can be created from multiple apps. I tried searching it like video tutorials. If you search about it, you would find tons of videos where people have just given a walkthrough how you can create these videos. So you can even go to Luma Labs and just create this video. Multiple AI tools. Don't bother much about it. What needs to be bothered about is what I'm going to tell you now. So if you've heard about this company called Black Forest Labs, they are the ones who are actually behind Flux. That's one of the free APIs and image generation and video generation tools which is present in the market today. What Flux on their official website or maybe Black Forest Labs AI tells that Flux 1.1 Pro, and like I said, there are different ways from where you can create these videos or any of these image generations and whatever it is, right? But hear me out. So what you can do with Flux 1.1 is that you can actually create, and there's a new model 1.1 that they have launched, and it's pretty good. It's pretty amazing. There have been talks that they have defeated Midjourney in terms of the quality of images that they're generating and even the video effects that they can do, everything. But if you pay attention, they very clearly say that either you can use Flux 1.1 Pro on our API, or you can try it out on these 4 websites that are officially partnered with them. And what are these 4 websites? So let me just give you a quick walkthrough. One is FreePick. So you can see over here, it's an AI image generator. You can generate whatever images you want. Try the new Flux Pro 1.1. They're calling it loud on their product itself. FreePick is a very, very popular and a known product and a known website to a lot of designers and folks who look out for like free images, stock images. Second tie-up is with Together.ai. I'm not signed in, but that's not very much important in this video, to be very honest. Third is basically Fal AI, where they are saying that you can just go and try your input, try to take a result out of it. It could be a hugging video, it could be anything of that sort, right? That's all possible. And the fourth is basically replicate.com, where you can see that it's pretty straightforward. You input the prompt, you tell the aspect ratio and everything, and you will see something like this, an output coming out. But all of this is either through APIs or it's actually paid as well. Most of the cases, Flux 1.1 Pro is paid, but there are some free credits which different of these websites have tied up and they're giving it out. Here's the most interesting part that I want to tell you. There is a website called Flux Flux1.ai. Now, if you look at this particular website and just try to see that this is saying that it's Flux AI image generator by Flux1 AI. Now, Flux.1 AI. This is not a official partnered website. No problems. There's absolutely no issues with that. What they do is they even provide you Flux 1.1, and like I said that that Black Forest Labs have actually given out the API, so anybody can use that API. They have to pay for that API and they can build a product around it. It's very simple, not much of a problem. So this website has multiple tools. It has prompt generator, image to prompt, image to caption, remove background. If you go to this magic tools, they also have a product called AI Hug. Let's just look at this particular product, and if, as you can see over here, that it just says you make two people in the photo hug each other, keep the same. That's input prompt, image left, image right, submit. It will use 10 credits, and as you can see, these are the couple of examples that they are giving, that if you do this kind of an images, this is the kind of video you will get in return. When I actually looked forward for it, I honestly believed that this is Flux original website, but Flux doesn't have a original website. Flux is just hosted on Black Forest Lab. It's an API, and these folks have built a domain, bought a domain, and built around a product around it. If you look at their pricing, now with whatever tools that's being promised over here, whatever you can do with Flux.1 AI, Flux1.ai, if you see this kind of a layout, you will see that this is their image generator. You can generate this sort of an image in terms of grid. For 1 credit, you will be able to get it. Everything seems perfect to me, not a problem. Let's look at their pricing. So the pricing says that the pro plan is at $15, 800 credits, then $400 credits, and 200 for hobby, or max plan is this much. Fair. The FAQs is there and everything. By the way, if you even search that who owns this website, you will not find anything about it. It's a complete anonymous tool. Who's built it, who's behind it, nobody knows. And I did a LinkedIn post, which I'm going to mention in the description long back. I'm discovering a lot of AI tools today that are there in the market, which are completely anonymous. People don't talk about it. Nobody knows who've built those tools. I'm assuming the fact that these are like passive income holders who are working in some organizations. They know how it's done, and they just deploy a website, and they just think that this is the best opportunity to do it. However, let's just also look at what amount of traffic this website is generating. So if you basically go and just search on Ahrefs, you will see that what sort of traffic this is. So imagine this is just like July, and in August and in September, the trend was there. Like last month, this hugging video trend came out there, and and even Flux has been there for quite some time. So they've just taken a domain. They're actually getting a 9,000 of monthly traffic. They have 2,000 backlinks and everything. But the last part of this video is very important. That if you just go on Google and you've discovered a particular trend and now you want to try it, what's a normal consumer behavior? I just go and I type AI hug videos, right? Or maybe AI hug. If I just type that and I want to search that who are the people, or like, then you see there's another tool, AI Hug, free online tool for hug video creation. So this is another product that's coming and ranking on top, because Google actually doesn't know that which tool to rank and whatever it is. So it's again a product which is out there. It'll again have a playground and everything, and they will be using maybe Flux API or whatever it is. They have different pricing and all. I'm 100% sure this will again be anonymous. You wouldn't know who are the folks behind it. There's no about us, there's nothing. You wouldn't find anything. If you even, can you see this? Like even if you click on their Twitter profile, it's nothing there. Hold on to it. Let's scroll a little more. And if I search for AI hug generator, let's just say, yes, this is the website I was talking about. So if you go to this website, and if you look at now this particular product, and you see, I'll go back to the reference point that I was making earlier, which I found on Flux1 website, right? This is exactly the same website. There is legit no difference between these two domains. It's exactly a replica. If you look at over here, same videos are here, everything is here, and this is, by the way, just hugging videos, completely anonymous. Nobody knows again who's built this tool. But what's gonna happen with you, that if you look at their pricing, if you go and check the pricing, you will see the same pricing over here, which was on Flux1.ai, where they had like multiple services, different sort of experiences of tools out here. For that also the same pricing. Over here, they've also kept like a very similar card, similar pricing. I'll give you another example. If I go to, I've discovered there is a website called videoaihug.com. If you go to this website, you would again find a very similar layout, a similar kind of a design, and people have just replicated it, bought a domain, and they are actually getting traffic. So if I look at this particular website on Ahrefs, and I'm going to give you an answer to it, it's just come out. It's getting, I think it's just getting indexed, but you see that there are 42 backlinks, 213. Some people are building traffic because some people are coming on it, but I actually was able to find for this website also that it's gaining traction now. What I want to highlight in this video is that it's really, see, backlinks 229, keywords 115, they're ranking for 115 keywords, by the way, traffic is 28, they're growing, the momentum is there. I think as soon as the keyword gets more, something new is going to trending up, they're going to just pop it up on this particular domain or buy another domain and just try to build traffic on top of it. What I want to say in this video, that how do you trust a particular platform? Because from an end consumer perspective, you would just go out there and buy. But what's the support? Where are you putting your card out? Who are the folks behind it? Because these people are generating some revenue as well, to be very honest. Nobody cares much on the internet, but there is a very strong reason I started doing these videos. And one of the biggest reasons was to give you the good, the bad, the ugly part of the landscape, that how it's working. So remember I told you in the beginning of the video that it's all about topical content, content creators piggy bank on it. Nowadays, indie hackers, founders are piggy banking on any trend and coming up with these micro use case products. And I'm not kidding. They're actually making thousands of dollars out of it, and they're gonna just vanish away one day. Because one thing's for sure, that these are just experiments run by these giants. And the giants that I'm referring to are OpenAI, Luma Labs, and every other giant that you're hearing about, Meta's, Movie Chain and everything. They're just figuring it out, what sort of use case will get just insane amount of visibility amongst people. And one fine day you will just find it that it's implemented in their product. A classic example of this is just now released OpenAI Canvas, which I already did a dedicated video on it. And I told you guys about it that a couple of years or maybe months back, OpenAI just gave their APIs for people to build wrapper products, and the entire landscape of AI was in shock because everybody came out and started building products around that. And the most prominent use case was text, blogs, editing, collaboration, and these all learnings were just getting fed into OpenAI, and they built Canvas today. Exactly the same fate is going to happen with every other tool coming out. Mark my words, watch this video at any point of time, 2 or 3 years down the line. You will see, I've said it now and I'm saying it again and again, that all these products will be killed in some time. If you're not building something which is really, really meaningful, it's not going to make sense at all. These were my couple of cents on the landscape of giving you a reality check, that how you should evaluate a product or go to a product. Just dig in a little deeper, try to find out who are the people behind it, look at their Twitter, look at their LinkedIn profile, are there genuine real people behind that company or not? Because if you browse Twitter and if you browse Reddit on a daily basis, you will observe that these tools, these micro-SaaS launching on Product Hunt on a day-to-day basis, are just like rappers making some quick money, taking away from your pocket, and they're gonna just disappear. That's it from this video today. Let me know if this was helpful for you in any which ways. Like I said, I'm doing this series. I'm coming out and creating content for you all to just make you understand that make wise decisions and don't get fooled in the AI landscape. trust the real products and the real people who are actually putting their heart, blood, sweat into it and building that product. That's it from today. I'll again see you tomorrow. Have a good day.